Okay, so here we are. We are in the screen house. So this is where our pathogen-free collection is. So these have all been tested and are disease-free, and these all have gone under a therapy treatment. So they've either gone under a thermotherapy treatment, which is a heat treatment, or shoot tip grafting, and that's basically excising a shoot tip on a very small scale. So since these are clean and free, we actually use these to ship to researchers throughout the world, but we also use this material to cryopreserve. And right here, this tree that we're on right now, this is a Dart 1 South, it's called. It is a Mandarin Satsuma variety. And what we kind of do is we want to select the material that is the newest flush material. You kind of see this branch right here. It is older and it's a little bit woody in parts, but you just want to get like the nice green piece right here. So it is, you do want the leaves to be kind of fully expanded, and but you do want the stem to be kind of soft, but not too soft. So at the end, it actually might get a little bit too soft, so we'll probably just cut that off. But that's pretty much the material that you want for cryopreservation. And it's important to look at the overall quality of tree before you do send anything out. You want to make sure that the buds aren't pushing out. And there's probably some trees, actually this tree right next to it, you could see that all these buds here, they already started pushing out. So this is not good condition for cryopreservation. So you want to make sure that you get to these buds here before they push out. So that's why it's really important for us. We do trim these trees back once a year, about in March and April. And so this is basically 1 year, well, you know, however many months growth right here. But so they're almost due to be trimmed actually in the next couple months. So these buds right here did not quite push out. They actually are just very starting to push out, but I'm just going to show you how to what we do here to send these to Fort Collins for further processing. So we do use like a nice bleach water solution. So it's about a 10 or 20% bleach solution. And we do use these pruners that have been sitting in the bleach for about like 1 minute. So you want to make sure that it is nice and sterilized. You want to make sure that this is just like the best practice to use pruners that have been sterilized. Even though these trees are tested clean, you just want to make sure that you don't get into the practice of using this pruner on several different trees. You want to use this for the one tree and then dip it in the bleach and then use it on another tree, so you don't transmit anything if it has anything. So what I'm going to do is just cut off this little branch right here, and I am going to now cut the leaves off. So this is what I do, is just cut off right at the petiole. Just going to cut down here like so. And then I am going to just cut off the top right here. If you could see, like, there's tiny little buds that are already pushing out, so I don't want those to be shipped to Fort Collins since they won't be able to use those. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the top off right here.